So, this is the unboxing of the shoe storage system that I bought. There was supposed to be black clamshell shoe storage system, but rainbow.com, terrible company. Look at this garbage they sent me. It's like made of the file folder plastic that be in those file cabinets in most office settings. And look at how flimsy this is. This plastic, basically, you have to open it up and make it into the shape of a shoebox, the little square. And then you attach this plastic front piece to it. I should have known when I only paid $80 for 12 of them that something was wrong with that price. Like, it was too good to be true. But that was how it looks when it comes. And this is how they look when you put them together and stack a couple of them together. I'm going to put them all together and stack them all up to see if they can hold the weight of the shoes without falling in and destroying the entire setup. But this is how it looks fully put together. See, as you can see, that will fool anybody just looking at that image online, because it doesn't look like it's made of a flimsy plastic. It looks like it's made of a solid, sturdy plastic material, which it is not. And I have to get all these shoes put up in these boxes so they're not just all over the floor. And this is how it comes. Definitely a waste of money. Maybe you can get this for your 5, 6, 7-year-olds for them to put their shoes in, because it's gonna pretty much be destroyed anyway. Not gonna last long. But basically, that's the clamshell shoebox storage system that I ordered from rainbow.com. rainbowii.com. Terrible misrepresentation. All right. Peace out.